2010 Mazda 3, we're adding refrigerant in the AC system. Full disclosure though, this vehicle still blows ice cold. But my coworker Randolph wants to buy this vehicle for his niece and I can't say no. But before we do that, I want to make a video on how to add refrigerant so I can still help others even though I'm about to sell this vehicle. Anyway, the refrigerant that we need for this vehicle is R134A. But sometimes it depends what year your vehicle was made on what refrigerant you're using, so just check the label in your engine bay. As you can see here in front, there's the label. It tells you what refrigerant type that we need, HC134A, which is equivalent of R134A, and it even tells you what maximum and minimum charge that you need to run the AC properly. Start by locating the charge ports. Usually you have two. One's the high pressure valve and the low pressure valve. And we're gonna need the low pressure valve. So start by taking off the cover for the low pressure valve. Next, turn on the engine. Turn on the AC to maximum blower and the lowest temperature setting. As you can see, we have it in maximum blower speed and lowest temperature at 60. Now I forgot to mention that when you buy a recharge kit, make sure that you buy the one with a gauge. That way you can monitor what pressure is in your system. Anyway, let's connect the AC recharge kit in the low pressure valve. And as you can see, the pressure is actually normal. Because as I mentioned, that the AC system on this vehicle is really cold. Now, if we need to add the AC in the system, we have to shake the can, shake it thoroughly. Then we're gonna depress the trigger for 3 to 5 seconds and switch the position at 6 o'clock and 3 o'clock. We're gonna switch it like this alternatively until we reach our desired pressure. Normally 40 is good for this vehicle. So, like I said, I'm just pretending that we're adding refrigerant. So we're gonna shake it, then depress the trigger while at position 6 o'clock and 3 o'clock. Do that until you reach your desired pressure. Now when you're done, you just take off your charge kit, then put back the valve cover. And technically we're done. And that is how to add and refill the AC refrigerant in a 2010 Mazda 3 hatchback. Thank you for watching.